Hello and welcome back. In the last video, we created or added this check if index exists method and the create index method, and we saw that our gigs index have been created. Now, one information that I have not pointed out relating to this Elasticsearch and the auth service. The auth service will have nothing to do with adding documents to the gig index. Okay, the adding of documents will be handled by the gigs service. So this Elasticsearch will only just be responsible for the user searching for data or searching for gigs when they are not yet logged in. Okay, so when it comes to adding of data to the index, we will do that from our gigs service. Now, due to this, we need to add some dummy data, okay, so that we can use it to test. And we can do that from the dev tools. Okay, so I can remove all of this. Okay, so let me remove all of this, but open a new tab. Let's search for Elasticsearch REST API. Okay, so Elasticsearch REST APIs. Okay, and then let's see how we can add. Okay, we've only seen how we can get, but let's look for how we can add documents. So I think where we need information is under Documents API. Okay, so you can click on Documents API. We have index. If I scroll down, or yeah, so we have index. Okay, so we can make put requests, we can make post requests. Okay, so to make a put request, that is to update, this is the name of the index, then underscore doc, and then the ID of the index, and then you under this you can add an object with the properties you want to update. And now to create, you can use underscore create. Okay, now you can go through this. Let's just I think scroll down. If we go down, we should see some examples. Okay, yeah, these are some examples. Yeah, this is an example of creating documents with IDs automatically. Okay, so if you want to create documents with automatic IDs, that is IDs automatically created by Elasticsearch, you can implement it this way. Let's see if we can create documents where we add our own ID. Okay, let me see. I think here, okay, if we do it this way, we can use our own ID. Okay, if you use this right here, Elasticsearch will create the ID, but if you use it this way, we can add our own ID. Okay, so let's go ahead and use this. So I'll open this. If you have this already closed and then you have this open, what you can do is you can just click here, view in console. It's going to open that command. Okay, it's going to open that particular command here for you. Yeah, okay, but for us, we can take this out, or maybe we can use it as an example. Okay, so what do we want to do? We want to add some test documents to our gigs. Okay, I will just add some random data, not the actual gigs data. Okay, so I will add some random data. Okay, so I'm trying to see if I can find the create method. Okay, so create, this is targets, and then creates instead of doc, creates, and then the value 1. Okay, so let's just add some information. Okay, I'll call this name. Okay, Superman. Or let me just add okay, so this is the first information, and then let's click here. Okay, you can see created. Let's add another one, 2. I can see this is another message. Okay, so we have 2 down here. Let's get all. So gigs /_search. If we click here, now you can see we have 2 documents. You can see them inside our index, our gigs index. Okay, so you can go ahead and just add multiple text multiple documents just for testing. Okay, so let's see 3. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, and then you can have different documents with the same name, maybe different messages. Okay, so go ahead and add it. Now with this, we should have some documents, and then we can start adding the code to our Elasticsearch and create a search service as well.